This rich and creamy no-bake bread pudding will surely make you fall in love with it. So to prepare this moist and gooey centered chocolate delight, it takes about just 15 minutes. So let's get into the recipe. Here I've taken about 500 ml of full cream milk. Full cream milk will give the smooth and creamy texture to the dessert. Now pour this milk into a pan. Before turning on the stove, take about 4 tablespoons of milk into a small bowl and keep it aside. We'll be using this milk to prepare a cornflour slurry. This gives a creamy texture to our milk. Now add about 2 tablespoons of corn flour to the milk and mix it. Make sure that there are no lumps. The mix must be smooth and creamy. Now put this mixture aside and turn on the stove and bring the remaining milk to boil. Keep stirring in between so that the milk doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Then add about 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Here I've taken brown sugar, you can use the white sugar also. Now keep stirring continuously till the sugar dissolves, or else the sugar will caramelize at the bottom of the pan. Now here comes the star ingredient of the dish. Here I've taken about 160 grams of dark chocolate. Break it into small pieces and add it to the milk mixture. Keep stirring till the chocolate dissolves. In about a minute or so, you will see the milk changing its color and the chocolate has started melting, imparting its beautiful color to the milk. You can either break or even grate the compound to get the chocolate pieces or chocolate gratings. It's been about 2 minutes on medium heat and see the beautiful color change in the milk mixture. Keep stirring continuously and let the chocolate melt completely, and it takes about another 2 to 3 minutes. The chocolate has melted completely and the color of the dark chocolate looks so tempting. Now let's add the cornflour slurry to the milk mixture and start mixing. It takes about 5 minutes for the milk mixture to thicken. Keep stirring till you see the bubbles and check for the consistency. The mixture tends to thicken a little and the consistency should be such that it should be able to coat the back of the spatula. Turn off the stove at this stage and keep this mixture aside. Now take a few milk bread slices and start cutting the sides of the bread slices. Do not discard the sides of the bread slices. These can be dried and turned into breadcrumbs, which can be used to prepare our fried foods. Now let's assemble the layers of the dessert. Take a rectangular shaped dish and start layering. The first layer is of the prepared chocolate custard mixture. Spread it evenly at the base of the dish. So this is how it appears. Next, place the bread slices over the custard mixture and press the slices gently onto the custard mixture. Then add either chocolate sauce or chocolate syrup. Here I've added chocolate syrup. With the help of a silicone brush, spread the chocolate syrup or chocolate sauce evenly over the bread slices. Then add another layer of chocolate custard mixture over the bread slices. Spread it evenly. Then add another layer of bread slices. Press these gently over the custard mixture. Then again add the chocolate sauce or chocolate syrup. Spread it evenly with the silicone brush. Then add one more layer of chocolate custard. Here I have repeated 3 layers using the same process. You can add as many layers as you want. Make sure that the chocolate custard is being spread evenly all over and the bread slices are properly sandwiched in between the custard mixture. Now pour a little bit of chocolate syrup and with the help of a coffee stirrer, make any pattern of your choice. And for the topping part, here I am using shredded white chocolate all around the borders of the dish. You can also use desiccated coconut for the same purpose. But I felt that the white chocolate goes well with the dish rather than the desiccated coconut for this recipe. And I have also used few rainbow sprinkles for the toppings. The final outcome is really tempting, right? The top layer is so jiggly and creamy. So now let's cover the dish. Here I have taken vacuum seal container and place this in the fridge for about 30 minutes. It's been 30 minutes, so let's have a look at the dessert. Wow, it looks amazing and it just melts in the mouth. This rich and creamy dessert can really be a showstopper at parties. If you like this video, do check the other videos on my channel as well, and don't forget to subscribe for more such delicious recipes and cooking videos. Enjoy and subscribe for more.